So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to create table and insert data into that particular table which we are just trying to create here. So we always aware that like we need that particular database that we want to create. So although it's already in master database, but we have to create that one like for use command. So now we just create table name. Let's suppose I am creating employee, and here we have some field name like ID, which could be int. I'm getting simple straightforward way. And now the name, which is normally, and where 100 is maximum, which could be fine. Now there we have like employee address also. So and address we also mentioned here in where, and it should be max, which will be fine for us. And now moving forward, date of hiring, so DOH. Now we are just taking data type. And moving forward, what else we just missed here? And I think department, so department. So it just relates some ID over here. So right now I'm just giving some data type like that one. And here we have our statement, as you can see here. So simply what we need to create here, create table name, and then outer field, and then their data types with comma separated. So that is simple straightforward statement, which is like easy to create our data table. Now as you can see here, there we have command over here, select asterisk from employee. So this one is just used for getting all the data from that particular table. So now you can see here, there we have like we can say five fields that we mentioned over here, and it is showing as per like information we just provided here. So data table is already have been completed. Now moving forward, supposed to be I want to insert data into that particular table. So there we have command over here, insert into employee table name. And so let's suppose we have four fields. So what I just simply copy all these fields name just for taking time, specialty. So as per like time interest, I just get all the fields over here. And now we have values statement, and we're just putting value whatever we want. So supposed to be emp ID 101, and name is like same, and address could be like send maybe like a GG, and I am just putting some short name just for taking like time interest. And the date of firing, which would be like 0101 2023, which will be fine. And now we are moving forward. What the department is just related with us. So there we have like serial number of department. Let's suppose four is just for taking like senior manager. So we can say like senior software engineer. So it would be like it's up to us. And now we're just creating that. As you can see here, one row is affected over here. And if you want to check our data, you can also see here like we just inserted data over here. So that's it. Now let's suppose we want to insert few more record over here. So what I need to do here, we just simply insert value. Let's suppose 102 is emp ID, and bin is another name, and it is belong with CHN, which could be like different city, different regional area. Right now, I'm just presuming like this is China, so just straightforward. And it's also like very senior person, so I can say the date of hiring is 2012, which is perfect. Now moving forward, it will be one. It is related with scope of the like senior header level. And moving forward with these two data, which is uh, Cameron, and let's suppose he's a still a person, and the date of hiring of that person is like 2007. which is also person and three. So let's insert it into here. Now we just try to check these all data. Okay, so as simple you can see here, we just inserted two record over here. Now we are trying to insert one more entry for Cameron, and this one is also effective. Now you can see here we have three records, and department is just related with all this data. And now, okay, Cameron record like inserted multiple times, I guess. Yes, yes, I think yes. So that would be fine. We have to delete one of them. So I will show you how to delete these record as well as. So now we are going to insert these records, and here we have one more entry for bin, which employee ID is 102. And now you can see here one, two, three, three having Cameron, and these two are actually duplicates. So just supposing that like I want to rewrite all the record, like those having employee IDs greater than zero. So what I need to do here? So we simply use the delete statement to deleting the record. So here we have delete statements. Now we are moving forward to the where condition where an ID is greater than one. So let me just introduce this where condition. It is generally used for filtering our data with that particular field. So supposed to be select hashtag from table name where the field name is greater than one. So one is like all these record actually. So our is 101. So we want but here like the employee ID is greater than 101. So now you can see here we will showing actually all these records. So let's see. Now you can see here like employee ID is greater than zero, and we are just showing two, three, and all these record except 101. So what else I need to do here? We need to delete all these state records. So simply what I will do, just putting a delete statement. As you can see here, delete from uh, table name where condition is that. One thing I just want to notice here, we can put uppercase and lowercase as well as because SQL Server is not case sensitive. Either like we manually put like all the statement as is case sensitive, but these function like these related keywords are not case sensitive. We can use uppercase, we can use camel case. Let's suppose first one is from F1. So whatever we required, we can put all this in there. That is the like flexibility that SQL Server given us. So now we want to delete all the record, those record having greater than 101. So three records are affected as you can see here. Earlier we just selected the record which is greater than 101. Three records are showing here, and now we are just deleting all these records. So that is showing perfectly. So let's see this select statement over here. So now you can see only 101 is just still there, and all are erased by itself because of that delete statement. So now we want to reinsert all these records, 102 and 103. So these two employee records are inserted. So as you can see here, data is like perfectly fine over here, 101, 102, 103, and the name and all the information are correct as per the information that we provided here. So that's it for today video. As you can see here, there we have like create statement, create table, table name, and then after insert into table name, then fields name, then there we have values keyword, and then we insert our data as per the like information which is provided us. Now the question comes around like supposed to be we just want to insert only first two entry or first three entry respective like we doesn't know about like date of hiring and department ID. So how can we like insert these record into the our tables? So let's suppose we just want only employee name, employee ID, and employee address. It doesn't require date of hiring and department. Now you will see here, like if I just insert all the data with these respective fields, except these two, so it will raise a error for us. So the error you will see here, there are more column in insert statement value specify in values clause. So it's as simply it is just showing us like these fields are more as per compare the values that we are inserting over here. So we need to appear that one also. So the fields from after employee and before values, and the value we just defined after value should be identical. So that's the point we also aware on there. So let's insert one more report, although both having same ID, but it can like insert duplicate data as well as, because we doesn't put any unique statement or key identity over here, like primary key and unique statement. So we can now, right now it is just avoiding all the constraints, and we just simply insert data into that table name, because I just want to show you how to insert data and delete data, and like how can we insert respective fields data as well as. So that's it for today video. As you can see here, the data is inserted perfectly fine, and as per the information we provide all the data. So that's it for today, and keep support me and like, subscribe and say thank you.